This is BCA-101. Roads were pretty icy today, so some students were gone. So this would be a good chance to review the things we talked about. We talked about getting the work done. We talked about the skills-based test on Wednesday, MH210A. And then we have some students that are going to take it ahead of time on Tuesday, just to spread it out. So we talked about word processing, and I talked about managing text and images. Text, get it to say what you want it to say. That would be editing, formatting the text, making it look good, and how it works. And then we talked about references. All right. This was a big part of what we talked about today. We talked about hardware and software, and we did a little review on binary numbers. Talked about files, storing data files and program files, understanding the difference. A data file is some piece of data that we intend to manage and use, and that data must have a program file in order to execute. And we use the term apps or application. We talked about the management of the files, folders, directories, and all the assignments. And the project talked about that. We reviewed what a path was, and we looked at that. That information is going to be on that skills base. Then we finished up the day talking about software. Software is divided into two major categories, system and applications. Remember, people develop software. It's just not magic. It just doesn't appear. So that's why some software doesn't work. Human beings write it. System software are two major types, operating system and utilities. An application is written to match up with an operating system, and an operating system then communicates directly with the hardware. So that's why we have those particular lines there. We talked about the different types of software, proprietary, Windows, operating systems, Linux. Then we talked about Droid and the iOS and so forth. And we'll review those things on Friday.